feel like artists have different eras of their life.
I'm in my bad bitch era. Like, I want to appeal to the bad bitches. Like,
welcome back, y'all. Today I'm gonna be doing a WestKiss wig, a 5x5 180 density wig. It's supposed to be layered, but when I got it, it had no layers and it was very yellow, so I don't know what that was all about, and it shed a lot. So these are the products I will be using. If you want to pause it here, you can, to make sure you got everything. So yeah. So first I start off using the Color Charm toner, and I got it in T27 and T35, I believe. And I just pour it all in. And what I'm gonna do is pour my 40 developer in those same bottles and pour it into the toner. You're gonna do that twice. So this is gonna be an honest review, y'all, because I was very disappointed with this company. It turned out beautiful in the end, but you'll see why I was very disappointed. Okay, so here I'm just stirring it until I get a good consistency, and it's gonna look like a gel type of consistency. And yeah. Now what you want to do is wet your wig first before you put any toner onto the wig, because you don't want it to be blotchy. You can use cold or warm water, it really doesn't matter, but make sure you comb through so that you can get an even spread. Now I'm just gonna go in with some boiled water that I had on the stove, and then I'm gonna pour the toner into the water and stir. Don't expect for everything to be like a good consistency, because you're gonna be stirring forever and you really don't have time for that. But the toner in the water just looks so nasty, like ew. After a good stir, you're gonna dip the ends of the wig first, and then you'll put the whole wig under the water, and then you're gonna go through and comb it before you let it sit for 30 minutes. And then after you let it sit for 30 minutes, it should look like this. A very cool tone. It should look like not platinum, but just very cool. Okay, so once you drain your water, you are going to want to run the water through the wig to make sure you're getting all the extra product out before you go in with the purple toner. So again, we're going to go in with some boiling water, and we're going to put the purple conditioner in to bring some moisture back to the hair so it's not so dry. And you don't need a lot because you don't want to have a purple tint to your hair. I hate that when I see blonde wigs and it's like a purple streak in the hair because you toned it with the purple shampoo. And just like before, dip the ends first, and then you could put the whole wig into the water, and then after that you just comb through. And since we waited 30 minutes with the Color Charm, we're not gonna let this sit for a while. If anything, probably 5 minutes. It really doesn't need to sit that long. As you can see, there is a lot of hair in this brush, and it sheds a lot. Like, all my clothes had blonde streaks of hair in it, and I didn't understand why. I don't know, y'all. I just feel like that for the price that it is, it shouldn't be doing that. Also, this wig did not come with the layers that it said it would have. So if you do decide to buy, you will have to cut your own layers if you're going for that look. I also did not bleach the knots on this blonde wig. There is a way for you to be able to tone your knots to make it look like scalp, but I had already seen how it was shedding before I toned it, so I decided not to do that. But what I did do to make it look like scalp was go in with the powder foundation so that it can match my skin tone. Alright, so I did not record myself styling this wig. All that I did was flatten the hair and put some light curls in it, and you'll see that in a moment. One thing I will say, this gave scalp, baby. Like, I ate that up. I sure did. Alright, so I did go outside so that you can see it in natural lighting, and it looks so pretty. You know, it looked real good, but what I didn't expect is for the back of my wig to be looking like that. What the hell? So for the price, I don't know if I would ever buy another wig from this company, but I mean, if you like it, then I'll have the link in the bio.